Hey guys, it's Faye and this is Day with Faye. Today I'm going to be showing you guys a lip swatch and swatch comparisons to the new Ulta Beauty lip kit from Kylie Cosmetics. Timestamps are going to be in the description below for when the swatch begins and when swatch comparisons begin. I got you guys. If this is your first time to my channel, hello, I hope you're doing great. I would love for you to subscribe if you haven't already. So, here is the Ulta Beauty lip kit. It is called Ulta Beauty. Now, I really don't know how I feel about that name. I feel like we could have been a little bit more creative. Like, I'm sure Ulta was like super lit about the name because it's their brand name, but it would have been cool if they did like a little play on words, like the ultimate, you know, but spelled like Ulta. But I'm excited to see the color. I am definitely going to do some swatch comparisons. So I'm going to hold this lip color to my other lip colors that I do have. And if you feel like I'm missing a swatch comparison that you want to see, just comment down below and I will get to you as soon as I can. Usually when I order from Kylie Cosmetics, it takes like a week to get here. So this was like instant gratification. I bought this yesterday, trying it on today. Let's see how it goes. So I've noticed now that Kylie Cosmetics doesn't describe their colors anymore. I don't know if that's just like a recent thing or it's gonna be like from here on out, but they did not describe this color. And the way that I would personally describe it is kind of like a dusty rose. So I'm definitely interested to see how it compares to like Candy K or something like that. So honestly, I am definitely obsessed with this color. It is such a gorgeous color. I think that this color would look good on a lot of different skin tones. I definitely am a huge fan of how it looks like on fair skin tones. And I want to know your guys' opinion too, so comment down below if you agree or disagree, it's okay. I think that this is the kind of color that you could wear all year round, which I am here for. And one thing to note is that you can go to Ulta and swatch this baby yourself, see how it looks on your skin before you buy, which I really like. And I believe that you could also purchase this online. So I mean, if you don't have an Ulta store near you, it's fine. I am definitely interested to see how this compares to other swatches. So let's go to the swatch comparison. So I'm gonna focus on just these three swatches for now, and then I'll move on to this one. So up at the top here, we have Posie K, Ulta Beauty, and Kylie. Now, I would say that Ulta Beauty is definitely different from these three. Between Kylie is definitely lighter pink than Ulta Beauty. And then between Posie K and Ulta Beauty has more of a rose element to it versus Posie K. And I also feel like Ulta Beauty is warmer. So that's the swatch comparison between these three. Now, moving on here, we have Ulta Beauty and Candy K. I would say that Ulta Beauty has more rose and like a reddish pink element to it versus Candy K, which is darker. And those are the swatches I have for you guys. So that concludes my video. I hope that it was super informational for you, and if it was, please give me a thumbs up. I always really appreciate it. And I genuinely hope you guys have a really good rest of your day. Bye.